Hi there. So, you want to get a website online but don't know how exactly? There are quite a few different ways to make your own website. You can use a website builder like Wix or Weebly, use a CMS like WordPress, or code the website yourself. In this video, I will focus on the quickest and most painless way to get your site online, which is using a website builder. While there are many site builders available, I chose to show you Wix as they offer the biggest template variety. They're also the most popular site builder on Website Tool Tester right now. I'll publish an actual website, and if you follow the steps, you'll be able to do the same all in less than 5 minutes. You can always pause the video at each step and recreate what I'm doing. Also, please stick around until the very end, as I'll be sharing a link that saves you 10% on your first payment in case you want to buy a Wix premium package. So let's get started. To create a Wix website, I recommend you check out their designs first. You can find a direct link to the page you're seeing here underneath the video. There are more than 300 free designer templates for every possible industry and niche. Let's go for the graphic design portfolio and click the Edit button to add our own content. You'll be asked to sign up for a free Wix account with your email address and a password. The editor loads up, and you can start editing the website to make it your own. The first thing I do is add my own name. Now is a good moment to click the Save button for the first time so you can get your free Wix subdomain. Of course, if you're happy to opt for a paid subscription, you can also use a proper domain name such as robertsgreatportfolio.com or something like that. A little side note, if you want to quickly check whether a domain name is available, just go to namecheap.com and type your desired name into the search box. We're in luck. The name is available. Let's keep on editing the website. I simply delete the existing photos in the gallery and add my own ones from a recent trip to Mexico. I can tell you, I do miss the tacos. Wix are really flexible with what you can add to the site. For example, let's add a button underneath the gallery that says, Contact Me. We'll link that to our contact page. Let's now go to the About page. Of course, here I want to show my own face to all future website visitors. Simply click Change Image and choose the photo you like. To change the text, just click Edit Text and start typing away. Now, let's quickly check our contact form. Here you should also add your own contact details and, very important, check whether the email address where the messages are being forwarded is correct. By default, Wix has also created a blog for me. This is great for regular news updates, but for now I won't need it. So I'm just going to delete the page. This can be done in the Site menu. Book Online and Members aren't useful for me either, so I also delete those pages. These can easily be re-added later. Before we finish up, let's change the footer. And remember, if you are not happy with an edit you did, you can always revert it using the Undo button. I, for one, use this feature all the time. The website is now ready to be published. Let's hit Publish and get our website online. Exciting, isn't it? Here you go. That's your small portfolio website on a desktop computer, tablet, and on a smartphone. By default, it comes with SSL security. As you can see, Wix places an ad at the top. To get rid of it and also use a proper domain name, you'll have to upgrade to the combo plan at least. We have a detailed pricing guide on Website Tool Tester that I recommend you check out. There, you will also find the 10% discount code that I promised at the beginning of the video. Simply type Wix pricing into Google and go to the Website Tool Tester page. Of course, Wix isn't the only website builder around. There are many more for every taste and purpose. If you would like to check out Weebly, Jimdo, Webnode, or even WordPress and compare them to Wix, please check out our detailed reviews and tutorials on websitetooltester.com.